Hi friends, this is your Vikshapati. Welcome to biology classes. So as we know, in the last class we discussed about the malnutrition, reasons for malnutrition, types of malnutrition and malnutritional diseases we started. Among that malnutritional diseases, we discussed very clearly about the kwashiorkor disease. The kwashiorkor disease is due to the proteins deficiency, and we discuss very clearly the symptoms and the characteristics of the kwashiorkor disease. Okay, now today we are going to discuss about one more another disease is marasmus disease. Marasmus disease. What disease? Marasmus disease. The marasmus disease is due to the deficiency of calories, deficiency of calories and proteins. Calories and proteins caused a disease called marasmus. And also there is another reason for the marasmus disease. What is that? The mother will have the immediate pregnancy or repeated childbirth. Immediate pregnancy, immediate pregnancy or repeated childbirth. Repeated childbirth are the reasons for the marasmus disease. Okay, now first one, calories and proteins. Second reason is immediate pregnancy or repeated childbirth. Means when a mother have the second pregnancy, okay, there is a choice to stop providing the nutritional food material to the first child. Okay, now so that that person get the disease is called marasmus. Okay, and then what are the symptoms of the marasmus disease? What are the symptoms of the marasmus disease? The first symptom is symptoms of marasmus disease. The first one is the person or a child become lean and weak. Lean and weak. The child become lean and weak. The person looks like a skeleton. Okay, now he become very weak. Become very weak. The second symptom is less muscle development. Less muscle development. Less muscle development. Okay, means the muscles cannot develop properly, so that the child become weak and lean. First character, lean and weak. Second character, less muscle development. The third one also suffer with diarrhea. Okay, diarrhea means what? The diarrhea symptoms are vomitings and motions. Okay, now vomitings and motions. And the fourth symptom is dry skin. Fourth symptom is dry skin. What these are the symptoms of the marasmus disease. Okay, it is caused or the marasmus disease is due to deficiency of calories and proteins. What are calories? Calories otherwise called carbohydrates. Okay, now proteins, you know that proteins are called as body builders. Or there is another reason for the marasmus disease, that is nothing but the mother will have the immediate pregnancy or repeated childbirth. Repeated childbirth. Then what are the symptoms? Once again I remind you, first symptom is lean and weak. Second symptom is less muscle development. Third symptom is diarrhea. Fourth one, dry skin, etc. These are the symptoms of the marasmus disease. Okay, na? The last disease among malnutrition diseases, the last disease among the malnutrition diseases is obesity. What is that? Obesity. The third disease is obesity. Third one, obesity. Means the child becomes obese, right? Obese. The overeating or excess of intake calories. Overeating, overeating and excess intake of calories. Excess intake of calories are the main reasons for the obesity. Means what? The child eat continuously. There will be no gap for eating. Whatever he see, he continues to eat whatever in front of him. Okay, now, so what is happening then? The excess of food material will be preserved under the skin, especially below the dermis. Okay, now, means the excess of glucose molecules will be converted into glycogen. The glycogen is nothing but a type of fat that is preserved in the muscles as well as in the liver and also below the dermis. So the child become very fat. Then here, what are the effects of obesity disease? What are the effects of obesity diseases? The people who are suffering with obesity, they will be targeted for some diseases. They will be targeted for some diseases. What are they? Especially, they will be suffer with diabetes. What is it? What is the effect of the obesity? The first one, diabetes. The second one, cardiovascular problems. Second one is what? Cardiovascular problems. Cardiovascular problems. Third one is renal problems. Nothing but there will be a problem in the renal artery and renal vein, which takes the blood to the kidneys. Okay, the renal artery carries the blood to the kidneys. The renal vein collect the deoxygenated blood from the kidneys. Okay, there will be a problem. Okay, now in obesity persons or child. Next one, gallbladder problems. Next one, gallbladder problems. Okay, now these are the effects of obesity. First one, diabetes. Second one, cardiovascular problems, means heart related problems. Next to renal problems, gallbladder problems are the effects of the obesity persons. But recent researches revealed us the secret of obesity. Along with overeating and excess intake of calories, there is a genetical defects also cause to the obesity disease. Okay, now the first one is Kwashiorkor disease, second disease marasmus disease, third one obesity. These are the three malnutrition diseases, very important for 4 marks in your examinations. Sometimes simply they may ask you, write a short note on obesity, or write a short note on marasmus, or write a short note on Kwashiorkor. Otherwise, in final, if they want to ask you, describe the malnutrition and malnutrition diseases. Okay, like this they may ask you questions. So children, be careful about this topic. I hope you may understand it well, right? Thank you.